Hello, this is Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. Today, I want to clear up a powerful secret that can stop muscle loss in seniors, especially when added to your morning coffee. The question is simple. Have you tried creatine? Because adding just one small scoop to your daily coffee could help protect your muscles from shrinking with age. Most people think creatine is only for bodybuilders and athletes, but that is a myth. Seniors can benefit just as much, and sometimes even more. After the age of 50, muscle loss becomes a real problem. This is why many seniors feel weaker, struggle with balance, or tire more quickly. The good news is that creatine is one of the most researched nutrients in the world, and studies show it helps seniors keep their muscles strong, supports memory, and boosts energy for daily life. Creatine works by giving your muscles quick fuel. Every time you walk, lift, or even climb the stairs, your muscles need energy. Without enough creatine, your muscles cannot perform at their best, and recovery becomes slower. But when you add creatine to your morning coffee, it dissolves easily and starts topping up your energy stores. Within a few weeks, many seniors notice they feel stronger, steadier, and more active. Using it is simple. Add 2 to 3 grams of creatine monohydrate to your coffee once a day. It does not change the taste, so you will hardly notice it is there, but your muscles and your brain will feel the difference. Remember, drink plenty of water throughout the day because creatine pulls water into your muscles to keep them healthy and full. One important note, if you have kidney issues, always consult your doctor before starting creatine. For most healthy seniors, it is completely safe and has been proven in hundreds of studies. So here is my advice. Do not think creatine is only for young athletes. Seniors who use it daily often feel more energy in 2 weeks and notice stronger muscles within a month. Add it to your morning coffee, stay hydrated, and let your body thank you with more strength and vitality. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest health tips for seniors.